Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a golf cart steering wheel. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a socket wrench set, a steering wheel puller, and a new steering wheel with its adapter kit. Before starting, always disconnect the golf cart's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or power surges during the replacement process, ensuring your safety and the cart's integrity. Now, let's remove the old steering wheel. Begin by gently prying off the center cap or horn button. Next, use your socket wrench to loosen and remove the large retaining nut that secures the wheel to the steering column. Once the nut is off, attach your steering wheel puller. Tighten the puller evenly to carefully dislodge the old wheel from the splined shaft without causing damage. With the old wheel removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully align the new steering wheel adapter with the splines on the steering column. Then, slide your new steering wheel onto the adapter, making sure it seats properly and is centered. Finally, reattach the large retaining nut and tighten it firmly with your socket wrench. Ensure it is snug, but do not over-tighten. You're almost done. Reconnect the golf cart's battery terminals, ensuring they are secure. Before driving, sit in the cart and test the new steering wheel. Turn it fully left and right to check for a complete range of motion and proper function. Make sure all components are tight and there is no excessive play. Enjoy your upgraded golf cart with its brand new steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.